Happy Sunday, world. Happy Sunday. Brought to you by Club Cash Funds. That you request a kit and you will get a kit in the mailbox. Here are the marketing department that you can go and check out this right here. I got email swipe for you. Email swipes. And you go from there. On this day, 07/21/2024, brought to you by Club Cash Funds, that you just request a kit. Here are all the stuff you need to do to send out uh, solo ads or whatnot to get people to request a kit. This is simple. I've been with Club Cash Fund for a very long time. It's a wonderful business venture. Get access to your cash. All you got to do is let people know, request a kit, and you're good to go. They got email swipes. Here's the email swipes right here. Email swipes, form code. You can form your own code, banner ads. There you go. Club Cash Fund, all the banner ads you need to run your successful business. It's very easy. All you do is request a kit, and the owner will do the rest for you. All you do is tell people about the Club Cash Funds, and they'll get a kit just like me. And you go from there. Traffic Authority, you can use that too. Pro Marketing, you can use that too. Here's the flyer design for CCF. All you do is download it, put your number on there, and you're good to go. 2 pages, 1 page. You're good to go to do whatever you want to do. Click here for done for you order form. That's simple. And you are good to go. No, you are good to go. And you go from there. I mean, there's really nothing else to say, nothing else to talk about. I already went through all the product. All you gotta do is let people know what's going on, and that's it. Unidine solo ads. Everybody know about Unidine solo ads. I go from there. I'm a member with Unidine solo ads. Postcard flyers. Get access to all this. The ugly card. Here's the postcard for Club Cash Funds. I'm making another video about Club Cash Funds on this day, Saturday, 07/21/2024, brought to you by Club Cash Funds. That all you do is request a kit. That's simple. Whatever's on that kit, on that letter, you'll send back to the owner, and the owner will disperse all the necessary funds to the person that's on that list. It's a team effort. You got to be patient with this business. All you do is promote, promote, promote. That's the only way to do this business, is promote your business. Nobody else can promote for you but yourself. Yes, indeed. Traffic Authority. I'm a member with Traffic Authority. That's how you get kits come to your house and whatnot. You go from there. That's it. You get kids come to your house and you go from there. Really, there's really nothing else to talk about. You got your own website. You get your own free website, and you're good to go. Be a pro member. Product. We already seen this before. To make the page look good. Pro members. Be a pro member. Here's all the people that be employed, upgrade and pay extra to be a pro member. And you go from there. I'm not active yet. Let's try to get my money up and go from there. Home. That's the home right here. And you go from there. That's what you get. You get your own website, and you go to go. You are good to go. Get your own website. I ain't got no sales yet. I'm just trying to let people know about Club Cash Funds. That easy, that simple, painless. You know? Uniding. Everybody know about Uniding. You go from there. I mean, really, there's not really nothing to talk about. Yes, indeed. There's really nothing else to talk about. So all you do is just request a kit from this ugly card. That's it. Just request your kit. You go from there. I don't know what else to say no more. I just don't know what else to say anymore. We'll log out. Yes, indeed. That's Club Cash Funds. You're good to go. You get a website like this all the time. You get a website like this. And you get your own credentials. And I already got 2 kids pending and whatnot. You go from there. Yes, indeed. So here's a market department ugly card that you can use to do this business. The ugly card. Everybody, we got to promote. We can't stop promoting. Free organic promotion. If you don't have no promotion money, here you go. You got to be patient. Patient in all the business we do. Patient, patient, patience. For real. I don't know what else to say no more. I've done my part. Let people know what I'm doing. I'm a good promoter. I promote where I want to promote. Show people what I'm doing. They just need to come on board. Yeah, they just need to come on board and go from there. Come on board. And again, you get all this when you become a member. You get your own website like this. You get a banner ad to promote. Yes, indeed. You get a banner ad. Club Cash Funds. All you do is request a kit and get paid. Be patient. Again, be patient. Email swipes. Boom. Got your own email swipes right here. There you go. All this is done for you. More email swipes. All you do is just create a compose email, compose it, and you're good to go. Yes, indeed, you're good to go. Yes, indeed. Yeah, you are good to go. So again, when you see this, please request your kit, follow the instruction on the letter, and you make money just like me. It takes everybody, it takes a whole village to work together as one. Not one at a time. It takes everybody. We know we broke. We ain't got no extra change coming in. Why not work together? Why work against each other? That is a big question. Why work against each other? Yes, why work against each other? I don't know what else to say anymore. I've done my part. I speak my mind. What I'm doing from home, working from home. We've been doing this for a long time. I'm getting better. I am better at this. It is fun to be a creator. It is fun to create a video. It is fun to sit down and put your thoughts down about how to market your home-based business. It is easy. It's not hard. It takes everybody. And go from there. All right, I'll come back with you again with another video. Thanks.